खुरमजरी Istv की मणिपुरी पाव मियंग ताबीर बसिंग बताराम नौसरे होजी पावगे मरोइबा पावदा ngasi Senapati District Headquarter da Bharat Sarkar Manipur Sarkar amadi UNC na tripartite talk pangthokre Miyoi kharana Manipur da mitop miancha sing tanglakpa yananaba Manipur gi wangmada sasinaba Aadhaar card sabagi thabak chathare hari amadi mikhal matungda miyamna thabak tawang amba candidate thibagi mahutta paisa yamna piba ngamba candidate thiraga vote pibana khunai si kaitharakpagi asobu maramni haina speaker Waikhamsa na phongdokre hoji paw sing sadona bizare ngasi Senapati District Headquarter da laiba DRDA gi holda Bharat Sarkar Manipur Sarkar amadi UNC gi tripartite talk chathakre ayupung ta matuga minita manga sapradagi wari sanaba haukiba adu nungtil pung amaga minute kuntra khare henba fawba sanake nakal ahung gi wari sanaba asida Bharat Sarkar gi maikaidagi Ministry of Home Affairs ki Joint Secretary North East Satyendra Garg Manipur Sarkar gi maikaidagi Education Minister T.S. Radheshyam Agriculture Minister V. Hankalyan Principal Secretary Val Mang na saruk yake UNC gi maikaidagi UNC gi President Gaidon Kame yauna myoi tare na saruk yake Assam ki President Joseph Adani, Naga Women Union ki President Asa Wungam amadi Naga People's Organization ki President Solomon Erona Sarugyaki. Ngasi wari sana kiba dugi matang da mapamadu da lariba ikoi ki paumi jitningo manapirakpa report.
Susila aina jile jiba from si koi DRDA gi complex mamang dudani maruina ngasi si koi United Naga Council aduga Bharat Sarkar amadi Manipur Sarkar ga moi akhoi gi ahum se punna wari sana ki ba adugi koi wari sana ki aduna lagliba koi mathangi July gi tang kuni pan sida makha ta na wari sana na ba adumba ngasi gi rauna sida final loki maruina ekoina wari sana matam da khoi gi Minister of Home Affairs ki Joint Secretary ba Satyendra Garg ka khoi ngaki mangda wari sanaki mana phongdo ambada nakal ani maktagi watare aduga state sarkar gi oinasu aduga Natagaga Council gi oinasu phongdok ningba wafam sing adu phajana phongdok naro matungda hariba wari sanaba si ayam positive oi ki haibasini aduna mathangi tang kuni pansida adumba chapcha ba moigi ba concrete oiba proposal ama thambagi wafam dunia aduna ay ngaki mamangda ekhoina ji Satyendra Garg ka unarga wari sanaki bodu ay thamjarake akhoi muna punna meng taminasi.
There are three things. UNC had a point of view that not enough has been done. Okay. And government of Manipur explained their point of view and the problems they have got and what they have been doing in this last 1 year on the issue. And they said, okay, there are certain problems which they have got on the issue, and they need certain more time. And so government of Manipur will come out with something concrete with whatever had been agreed earlier, including like resolving the issues of the students and on issue of creation of districts and all this thing. So like the next round will be on 28th of July 2018. Okay.
So do you think that this talk is very positive or what do you think?
Yeah, like the fact that we have agreed to meet further and both point of view were understood by each other, was listened to by this one. So these are the way like these talks progress. So the fact that there was a cordial atmosphere, the fact that both sides tried to understand each other's point of view, the fact that there was a commitment to resolve the issues, and these are positive signs.
Susila makata na koi Gaidon Kamiga su unarga wari sanaki Gaidon Kamiga wari sanaba matamda koi Manipur Sarkar ki side degi sabchana koi homework toroga lagtaba masina makhoi da pen da mayam pokpa yamna khoi gi delaying tactics to bagi madu yam khoi sound na wafam si Gaidon Kamina phongdo mi maruina mamang da yana ki fam sung yarani harga wari sanaba aduga phamba aduga loira matamda soi khre sorry mathang da muk sana sai wafam phongdok pasina makhoi da Gaidon Kamai maruina United Naga Council la yamna ningan ba pole haiba abumba khoisana wafam akhoi Istv news ga unagi bam tonda Gaidon Kamai phongdo mi madu so akhoi pune meng tamina si Susila.
We have given our position loud and clear to the state government. The only thing is state government that don't have courage to solve these problems. We need a total will to solve any kind of problems, but they don't have. So far, no that kind of decision. And we'll have to another round of talk on coming to 28 July. So their government of Manipur they have agreed to submit a concrete proposal. In every meeting they agreed, they assured, but they failed. So this kind of irresponsible government, we don't have trust to the government. But if government is come out with some certain concrete proposal, we are ready to settle and share the problem, discuss the problem. We are ready for solving the problem. But state government, they are trying to run away from the position. They have agreed, they have signed, and they will say sorry. This is the mentality and character of the state government. In the larger interest of the people, we are still waiting for the positive response from the government. Because this is a new government, everybody knows. They said that, please give us some more time. Yes, we are giving more time. Giving more time is not the issue. We can give 1,000 days. But if they are not committed, then what's the giving thousands days or 1,000 times? So, in our discussion, they have signed officially. After long deliberation, they will sign, they will say, we will do this. And they will come back, say sorry. So in this casual way, they should not, deal this kind of issue in this casual manner. This is political issue in nature. They have to understand this. Without preparation, I know they are coming, waiting for the day, waiting for the months. They will come for just to attend the meeting without having any homework. This is the reason why they are suffering today. Our stand is, we told them straight away, we'll give you enough time, but don't take us for granted. Don't take us for granted. But as they have to request it by this thing, ministers and the Joint Secretary, we also understand the difficulties. But saying difficulties, explaining their position, this doesn't alone work. Because they have to see our problems. They have to, explore means and ways to tackle the issue. I know their working style. Without doing any homework, they will come and attend the meeting. This is their nature. So seriousness is required. Commitment is required if they want to solve any kind of problem. So in casual way, they will come and they will say, they will discuss, they will listen. There will be, too many acrimonious in the discussion, shouted and, countering. See, what is the use of having this kind of tripartite talk? We know their mentality, but we'll give another chance. From there, we'll see how things happen.
Adoni hazu ugi buduni susla maru ina ngasi wari sanakhe ba asidai da khoi tongan ba akho yanakhe ba wafum asi lakli ba khoi mathangi round of talk se July ki tang kuni panda akho dumba khoi amuk wari sanaba sini aduna sidalari basi mamangi khoi April gi tang tarada sanakhe wafum maduda thajaba bikiba adu ngasi Manipur sarkar na aduga Bharat sarkar na su adumba pibangam de haiba sini anate naga council phongdoi basi aduna wari sanariba asigi phol amasi maruina lariba tang kunipan sidadi chapchaba concrete oiba proposal ama Manipur sarkar na sibau ki thakta toba ngamni ngamoi haibadu thamo haibasini aduna luriba wahang di ekoi leiriba hauji leiriba asidaida maruina khogi nongna semkiba district tare rasi handokba haibasi araiba issue mo oiroi maruina tongan ba district tare asigi ekoi infrastructure semganaba mayam leigmani maruina anoba district tare semiba si ekoi magi administrative the convenient oiba yamna khogi phanganaba the people da madugi sarkar gi leiba khudong chaba singasi phanganaba है पांदन द पांकुक है बा ममांग की सरकार न फोंदोक पर लेगमनी अदुना कदाई फावबदा हजी यूनाइटेड नगा काउंसिल तालिबा अखोई नौनसेम के डिस्ट्रिक्ट तरे रसी रोल बैक तवाइबा हंदोक बाइबेसी अनौब सरकार सिना ngамगुदोरिब्रा नत्रगना यूनाइटेड नगा काउंसिल सु हाना लेपिबा फिरे असिदगी खरा हंदोकदोरिब्रा नतगा हंदोकनरोइदोरिब्रा हाइबसिदी लालिबा अखोई जुलाई की तांग 19 सिदा पांगथोकदोरिबा अदुम्बा मथंगी राउंड ऑफ टॉक सिदा खंगलगने हाइबसिनी सुशीला
Takasari Jit Hauzik Makadaba Paumu Pizari Miyoi Karana Manipurda Mitop Miancha Singsang Lakpayanaba Manipur gi Wangmada Sasinaba Aadhar card Sabagi Tabak Chatare Haire Istv News na Pangba Paugi Matung Inna Manipur gi Wangmada Laiba Atopa Naknaba State Anida Aadhar card Sabagi Tabakasi Sathavadi Haire Amaramda Manipurda Tabak Suramba Tongan ba level class ki miyosing saktak se yaudabadagi hauzik haiba mafam sing asi yaungna atopa mafam kharada sasinaba Aadhar card longnaba Manipurdagi chanakhiba miyoi kaya yaure haire Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System na Manipurda Inner Line Permit System sana hangadabani haina akan bakhongjang sangchin bagalena mapal lamdagi sanglakpa miyosing saktak se yaupra haina drive se tharingai cherak asida sasinaba Aadhar card paiduna Manipurda sangnaba honariba singasi JCILPS amadi sarkar gi mailenaba official singna kupna yengsin haningbagi apamba maikai kyadagi thamdarakle Panbayai Mamangda Manipurda Sanglakiba Mitop Singna Sasinaba Aadhar card Pairambadagi JCILPS ki student swing na Fakibagi Thaudok Amadi Myanmar Romdagi Manipur Sangna Hodaramba Mitop Sing Mori Police ta Fabagalina Makoina Aadhar card number da Sizinaramba Masin Sing Pagat Pagi Thaudok Laikarbani Manipur gi socio-political issue si Nerurabadi Manipur si Loirabani Manipur gi aiba aibi singna khunai asida aseng ba haidokpagi mathau tare haina Speaker Wycam Zanangasi First MR Banquet Hall the Pangtokpa Dynamic of Contemporary Manipuri Literature haiba seminar hodokpagi thoramda pangdokre Cultural Forum Manipur gi sahi hompu surakpagi sahi amma subna sathagadaba Diamond Jubilee Celebration gi sarok amma oina nimin nini subna sathagadaba seminar hodokpagi thoram aduda mangna makata na haikibada Mikhal Matungda Miyamna Thabak Tawang Amba candidate Tibagi Mahutta Paisha Yamna Pibang Amba candidate Tiraga Bot Pibana Kunai Asi Kaitarak Bagi Asaw Maram Amani Amana Amada Ikoi Masel Maral Tangzin Nabana Oration Prakpang Amra Hebesi Miyamna Bab Tahan Bada Lamdam Asigi Aiba Aibi Singna Taseng na Fungto Piduna Afaba Manipur Seminar Si Haiki
Samasi Asing Makara Haidun Oleh kanjai. Political consciousness sama समाज का साहित्य की कल्चर की सही कल्चर खुरम की तरफ की सु तो कौन वो सही सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी की सु मसी ऐसे होगी मतलब कोई बड़ा हमें तुमसे नहीं
Cultural Forum ki President Professor Huirem Biharina Aikoina Aikoigi masak khangge hairabadi Manipur culture khangba mathau tai Manipur gi masak mawong yamba culture mapung phana naina bhaibasi maitei gi horpham naina ba mathau tai lamda masigi leijari ba folklore sing gi horpham thiba masina puriba nunggi oiba wakhalon sing hawalakliba angang singda niyom chumna khangan ba mathau tai Aikoigi leijari ba nat culture asi mapalong gi atopa chatnabi dharma ga yan senaraga art chatpum he hek tauri haiki Sahi Kuntra Rongi Mamang de Gisembi than a Laglaba, kilometer Kunmangaram Sangba, Jura Sugunu Road ki, houses Samgat Liba, Fibam Singh, Sangai Court Block ki, SIP Association, Cookie Students Association, Mapigani Cookie Students Organization, Amadi, Cookie Women Union, Akoin Satuni Yang Sincre, NECG Social Infrastructure Development Fundagi, Sentang Makada, Lambi Sembagi Tabakasi, Singhat Kendrigi MLA, Ginshwan Haugi Miyang Makada Pekatpani Hari KSO Sangai Court Block ki President Jamsiliena Fungdorakpada Lambiasi Matamamada Sugunudagi Churasampur Fawada Satpada Pung Ahumdagi Hena Sanglambani Adubu Handakta local MLA gi Miyang Makada NEC gi Matiangalena Sem Horakpadagi Lamdamasigi Miyamna Churasampur Yobada Tengaramba Kudongsa Dabasing Adu Kohan Mangamle Anova lenga asigi Chief Minister N Birena Singh di miyam da thajaba pikiba thabak sing thabak to onthorakpada nungaiba phawi amadi atuba matamda lambi asigi hauji oiriba pm asigi mathakta back topping tobiduna mapung fana lotion biu haina phongdorakhe
subdivision dagi praja madam sina akoi MLA mainly Singat ki MLA pu GS Hopu honorable GS Hopu ko mana khonra aga hojiki phibam sida akoi je lebak pharadi black topping phang dore black topping se quality se leina tobiro adugi mathakta akoina akoi ki MLA da ko general public of Sangai Kot subdivision na akoi keso Sangai Kot bokna so akoi ki harauba ko we say many thanks to our MLA and akoi ki hoji government paibirapa akoi ki honorable CM Pubiren na dasu akoi ju yam harawe
Sangai Kot Block ki Kuki Women Union ke President Fanaineng Baitianasu lambi sida miyam na thengna makudong sa tabakayadu lenga asibulu suniba N Biren amadi local MLA na sembi bagi damak thakat phongdorakhe Chief Association Sangai Kot Block ki member Sekhopau Baitiana housing safety lambi asi thubu matamda black topping tobiduna ration view haike
Chief Association Ming Pandana Harawa Ngai Phongdoe Ekoi khap kana tana ngang an opdaman sing himaya pudingma yiming haraba phongdoe aduba matangge black topping sisu quality maintain hana jinsin biba hana version ba sokana jingbir di hana request tawai
NISPC Loktak project ki contract worker ni futare lokthokki babu hanjan hingdapani haiduna contract labor welfare union sangsila pokhongjang ni manung chananga si Loktak project NISPC gi office mamangda khutang sarai henbegi khongjang sangsankhre khongjang adu da saruk yakiba union gi president Kumar Jitna union taliba dadi singh thabak ta onthokriba phawba khongjang sangsan khigani mioi taruk na sinaduna khutang sarai henbegi khongjang asi sangsangani haiki
Jamri yang kai mato isi kana mata tiga dan hab kibel ite adun makoi se management hab kibung agani adun management hanjel halu ai bani ai khoi gi lamso NSPC na sijina ba ai khoi gi miso sijina ba ai khoi gi sing sijina ba adu ga ai khoi gi mising guna uchet wachet mamal leita badongna lukha gumdana sijina badi yaroi na khoi na ai khoi mini putre se hanjin da taragadi na khoi NSPC Manipur da ki chakki gadamni Manipur ki praja singna masih demand tarokani
Mangna makata na phongdo ki bada house contract work the thabak tawriba singbo NSPC Loktak Power Station gi general manager na thamdalba wafam nimit tareni gi manungda lale haija jabadi mathangi nimitagi general manager gi mathakta su khongjang sangsilagani haike hausi pau gi marakta na tenba break amtang lozari
Baba Quick zone gidi tatatis college di mamal suma pang puding chamane yo sumang roi pista salabnina adu suma takta superlink footing gi offer me amon piri sidi tas electric drum no sin bagum na yoti simbayar
dudi sanagi muhut yang na sinbayar
Jolip 100% natural syrup amasung capsule yu thakpadagi oirakpa awa pachaitheng hakjangi liver soklakpadagi kuchu sengaktaba Haksang soktarakpa, tumba chaba yaraktaba, khong hamba nungayraktaba singbu, phanba ngamba amata ngairaba upaidi, Jolip syrup, amasung capsule. Diabetes singidamakta Jolip capsule chabiyu.
India gi ahanba National Award di Government of India na piba Silver Dew. Makhal suna lejare half liter, 750 ml, 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter and 20 liter jar. As an distributor Amadi Akupamarol Loktak Industry, Industrial State, Takiel the contact to view.
Come and join Comprehensive Concept School Sangai.
The mark I scored today is impossible without the guidance of Comet.
It is not possible without them. I would like to thank Comet for helping me achieve what I have achieved.
Exam
pass out toge hai taragadi ojasing gi guide darkar oi.
Strategy planning and the weekly examinations of COMET.
Question analyze
One of the best coaching centers that provide a concrete foundation to their growing medical experience to a promising future.
Goods and Services Tax GST da register tawiraba taxpayer khuding makna matam chana GSTR 3B monthly return file tawiyu. April hagi GSTR 3B return file tawbagi aroiba numiti lakliba
megi tang kuni thoidani
sale changdana return file tawnabagi damakta All Guwahati High Court Building North AOC Department gi Facilitation Center da lakpiduna return file tawiyu.
Kanganjariba Department of Taxes, Government of Manipur.
Break ki matung da taram na moksari makata ba pauda Khundai asida afaba oza puthokuna quality education purakna ba hotnabada mahairoi sing oza sing amadi akoibagi community singa afaba mari thamba mathau tai haiba pandamda DM College of Teachers Education na nimin nini sumna pangthokadaba community contact program ngasi akam batilai Western Ideal High School da hokre Thawangi saruk amoina Teacher Education Institute ki Service in Teacher amadi trainee singna school ki campus ta lam tu sengba mahairoi amadi oza singda interaction program pangthokpa amadi school ki akoi bada leiba laikai gi mioi singda lemna ana layengba phanghanaba free medical camp amasu pangthoki community contact program asigi maroi bawa khalon adu program coordinator Dr. C.S. Santikumar na phongdorali
man lakpani na ikoi education de hena masak thokpa agi afaba teacher educator singsi bodong da ba loina loina na ikoi teacher educator singsina ikoi gi cooperating institution sing adagi mogi institutions lady ba ikoi gi teacher sing adagi students adagi loina loina madagi surrounding community duga afaba mari ama sagatpa loina na afaba education ma ikoi phangna ba pandam madom da ikoi tokjabani
Thasagi tang tarki numidang pung tararom taba matamda lengoi puba tata truck ama lan bada tatkraba Wangu Valley Bridge samjin bagi thabak hawre lamdam adongi praja singnadi Valley Bridge ki mahutta RCC Bridge oina sabiba pamri hiramasida report ama
Hairiba thongsi machak mathum mari lainaba department na pibirabadi tha ama makhai manungda mapung fana saba loiba ngamgani haina thong asibu sabagi thabak tawriba head ministry Catherine Nonina Istv News da phongdorakli
sumnagi sidok pasiga kara khudung dibai tare thuna pirgadi thuna lore paningai letrati karida palone koina moina yam athuma tan piraga dido athuma dam da koina tawbu tare sabai damakte koi thame me ada sadum ngamme phasu phada be be thasi pot letragadi upai letra
lamdamadungi nupi amana Istv News da phongdorakpada hairiba thongasi RCC gi thong oina nauna sabiu kumbi kendra amadi sugunu kendra gi MLA na matamgu chunaba mongda RCC Bridge oina sananaba khangan ki bofam adu sarkar na bijeng changbiduna athuba matamda RCC Bridge oina sabiu haina phongdorakli
Hanagi thong du maina tharagadi thahalagumsi haibagi possible khoi khanna nainabada yawi asida kumbi gi da thariba moi English da haragana RCC hariba thong smaina matam sangna lan bayana na basatna na ba sahi sangna satna na ba potuma uhen binaba MLA ni na puging ang singsin biraga yaragadi sarkar gi mai kaida haijari
nakalamurumda thong asi tatkibana maramoiraga Hojiksu inter village road oriba Wangu Sitek Fauraga Wangu Sitek Thong Taraga Wangu Lupa Maru Faunariba lambi asi hana fatana leiriba asigi mathakta achauba gari kya yauna tongan mamakal gi gari kya chasin badagi lambi gi fibam asi nongma nonggi soksilagli atuba matamda sarkar na miteng changbiduna lambi asi koilas thaduna sembiu lambi asi thong semba loidriba fawbudi miyamna chatnagadori bane haina lamdamadongi miyamna phongdoragli
si lambi sidi lambi wena lebinate yamna koigi yamna lawar wen lebini adu main webidi decision si fauna basa asigi lambi do sin main waramina sarkar kitang mi han musu disinu budi nung khar thabirame jisu makhata na khare jingselega koila luna thong nung thaga ko khadang jingsin mani pamne hana kuli ngai sidam nung ta chalakan da gari nam thongjelamni na main road webida yadre lambi kum kum yam lereba si nong ta ka da jangang lupi school sa pokhopa yam noi jade aduna mari lengnaba authority sin ka tung jing bi oina
wangu sitek belly bridge asida hauzik wangu thong tatkibana mar moiraga thong asida amata ngairaba district ani ki ana ayek yaungna lau singbagi thabak toriba mari mahirui kiana nongmada masing khangdana thong asi fauduna chanari thong asida tan kungamari digi hena lan bi yadi haiba athing bathamlabasu miyoi kiana laingoi hapa gari yauna achow achowa mal puba gari kya chanariba asina thong asigi phibam asi soksilakpa yabagi phibam leire laikai na su tan kungamari digi hen ma gari sing lan bada athing bathamle haina nupi amana phongdorakle ISTV news gidamak aikhogi moirang correspondent Gyaneswar galoina na paudum jariba Sunil Kumar ISTV news
Laikai de Labour Club Singna Mataunintina Pangtok Labadi Afaba Sama Sama Sangatpada Asawating Organi Haina Speaker Yumnam Kemzan Ngasi Singzamai Top Laikai de Labour Social Upliftment Organization Ge Nipan Subamapokumon Thoramda Fongdokre Thoram Aduda Club Ki President Aisham Kan Haishing Samas Kan Manupi Look Ki President Ke Binarani Devi Yauna Myoikiana Sarugyaki Thoram Aduga Mai Lenena Speaker Na Laikai Gisak Tongpam Amasu Hangdok Bagalena Uzara Kayasu Thaki प्रधानमंत्री उज्ज्वला योजना की मखादा अंड्रो नगर पंचायत की मनुंग दलाइबा लाइरबगी पंखै मखादा हिंगलेबा इमुंग यांखैदा LPG कनेक्शन फंगनख्रे अंड्रो नगर पंचायत की चेयरपर्सन लुखोई खुमनगे अंड्रो कैथल दलाइबा युमदा पांगथोकपा थोरम अदुदा LPG सिलिंडर स्टॉक अमदी अतै दरकार ओइबा पोलम से खुशिनके चीफ मिनिस्टर एन बीरेन की खुंगंग ससी हाइबा मिशन अदुगी सरक अमा ओइना उज्ज्वला स्कीम की मखादा MS लंबोदरा इंडियन सर्विस का अंड्रो नगर पंचायत का खुसमनरगा थौरमदु पांगथोखिबनी कुंट्रा मरी सुबा स्टेट सब जूनियर बॉयज बास्केटबॉल चैंपियनशिप की फाइनल दा यूथ क्लब उरिपोक अमदी यंग फिजिक यूनियन लांबोंगा सानरगनी मणिपुर बास्केटबॉल एसोसिएशन सिंधुना था सिकी तांग तरा मरीदगी नुपा मदी नुपी की टीम तरा तरेट न सरुक यादना मॉडल क्लब सिंगा मखागी बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट चथरिबा चैंपियनशिप असिगी ngasi sanakiba ahanba semi final match ta youth club uripokna Eastern Sporting Union Wangkhaibu point kuntra taru kuntra humdoida amadi ani suba semi final match ki sanakibada young physic union lambungna model club singa makhabu point nifuni thoi kuntra tarukta maithiba piduna final sangkibani July selakpada maribapau amuhan lebizari. Ngasi Senapati District Headquarter da Bharat Sarkar, Manipur Sarkar amadi UNC na tripartite talk pangtokre. Miyoi kharana Manipur da mitom miyancha singsang lakpayana na ba Manipur gi wangwada sasinaba Aadhaar card sabagi thabak jathare hari. Amadi Mikhal matungda miyamna thabak tawba ngamba candidate thibagi mahutta paisa yamna piba ngamba candidate thiraga vote pibana khunai se kaitharakpagi asobu maramni haina speaker Wai Khamsa na phongdokre Hauzi pawagi ona di ISB na pizari Manipuri pawmatang na salojare ming tabi na puna mapom kana kurumjari